Hi students, in today's class I am going to explain you if condition used in Java, if else. How to make use of if condition. It is a selection statement. Out of two statements you have to select any one which you want to execute. So see the example. If we have two variable a equal to 10, b equal to 6. If a is greater than b, system.out.print a, else system.out.print b. If condition is true, here 10 is greater than 6, 10 is greater than 6, so it will print 10. So this statement will execute and output will be 10. Else will not execute. If suppose the value of b is 60, then now 10 is greater than 60. No, condition is false. So this statement will not execute, else will execute. If condition is false, then else will execute. It will not print 10, it will print now 60 here, the value of b. Okay. Now we can also use if condition without else. See, without else. Now what will the effect? If condition is true, then this statement will execute. If condition is false, this statement will not execute. I am not talking about this statement because this statement will execute in both the cases. So now according to this, condition is false. 10 is greater than 60, no, so b, it means 60 will be printed. And suppose again it is 10 and 6, now condition is true, so it will print 10, then control will come here, it will print 60, so 10 and 60, both the values will be printed. So without else you can use, if can be used without else, this is the way. Now again try to understand, if we have more than one statement, system.out.print greatest is a. I am not writing a here, I am writing a in next line. Now there are two statements, else system.out.print greatest is b, again two statements. When you compile this program, you will get one error, else without if, misplaced else. How else without if? You can see there is if and else, but how it works? If condition is true, then this statement will execute, this will execute, both will execute, clear? But if condition is false, this statement will not execute, only this statement will execute. Don't think these statements are here, only see, think suppose there are only two statements. If condition is false, this will execute, it means this is called hidden else. It means if condition is false, this statement will execute. How this else can be executed? So there can't be two else, so we can consider this is hidden else. If condition is true, this two will execute. If condition is false, this will execute. Then else is completed. If else is completed here, so this is extra else, that's why it will give error, extra else, for extra else, either misplaced else or else without if. So what we want? We want if condition is true, these two statements should be executed. If condition is false, these two statements should be executed. Then use the curly brackets, which is called block. Set of statements enclosed in a curly bracket is called a block. In block you can write either one statement, two or more than two, any number of statements you can write. If condition is true, then this complete block will execute. If condition is false, then else block will execute. So now these two blocks are conditional. Now next program to find greatest out of three numbers. Program to find greatest out of three numbers. Suppose we have three numbers like this. One more number C is there, the value. Using if condition, first of all we will find. If condition is true, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, you can print A. If both the conditions are true, A will be printed. Suppose if this condition is false, what is the meaning of this? If this condition is false, if this condition is false, it means A is not greater. A is either smaller from B or from C. So it means greater is out either from B or C. So in the else block, just compare if B is greater than C, then print B, else print C. So if condition is true, A will be printed, this else will not execute. If condition is false, then only control will come to here, else if, you can write else if also here with this space, else if B is greater than C, if B is greater than C, then B will be printed, otherwise finally C will be printed. So in this case, 10 is greater than 6, true, 10 is greater than 20, false, so overall is false, so else will execute. B is greater than C, 6 is greater than 20, no, so else will execute, so C. So 20 will be printed here. Same program we can do with the help of ternary operator. See how easily we can do the same program. First of all, from out of 2 calculate, I am taking one more variable h, new variable, h equal to the condition A is greater than B, brackets I am putting, which is not compulsory, question mark A colon B. If condition is true, then value of A will be transferred to H. If condition is false, value of B will be transferred to H. So next statement, H equal to C is greater than H, condition C colon H. In the previous statement, if A is greater than B, A will be transferred. If not, B will be transferred. It means value of H will be greatest one out of A and B. So third value C will be compared with the previous greatest. If third value is greater than this one, then this value will be replaced in H, otherwise H will remain same, and finally you can print H. Let's try to understand this example. 10 is greater than 6, yes, so 10 will be transferred in H, H is now 10. Next, C, 20 is greater than 10, yes, so 20 will be transferred in H, now H will become 20, so finally 20 will be printed. Same way you can find greater out of any numbers, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, any numbers, just you have to increase the statements. H equal to, suppose D is greater than H, question mark D colon H. Now same program using if condition. If we have suppose 5 numbers A, B, C, D, E, take new variable H using if condition, greatest out of 5 numbers. If first of all store any one out of these 5, A, B, C, D, E, out of any 5 you can store any one in H. I am storing A, so H will become 10. Put the condition, if B is greater than H, then H will be replaced by B. So according to example, H equal to A, H is 10 here, and this condition B is greater than H, 6 is greater than 10, no, so H will remain the 10. If suppose it was 60, then H will become, because 60 is greater than 10, so H will become 60, Now h will not be changed. So this condition is false. Now apply the same condition. If c is greater than h equal to c. Same process. If d is greater than h equal to d. If e is greater than h equal to e. Finally, print the value of h. Now try to understand it. According to the values, h is 10 here. B is greater than h? No. Come here. 20 is greater than 10? Yes, h will become 20. Next statement, d is greater than h? 15 is greater than 20 because h is now 20. 15 is greater? No. Next, e. 7 is greater than 20? No. So finally h will be printed, that is 20. In this way, you can also find greatest out of any numbers. Without else, do not use else here, because if you use else here, if this condition is true, this will not execute. So without else, you can also make this program. That's all.